Hello guys, it's my first ever video. My name is JJ the Storm Chaser. I don't know if that name is already taken, but as you can see, the weather is very bad. And today is Friday is 100% rain. Let me show y'all. It says 100% rain right there. Now for the past few days, it's gonna calm down. So I want to like basically become a storm chaser, you know. So this is like a very good start, to be honest. So as y'all can see, bad weather, bro. Very bad weather. And it's 100% rain. Arlington. Okay. That is Fort Worth. That's crazy. Field red. 75 inches. Jeez. It's like what? Baseball size? Right? That's crazy. And then we have max wind gusts 65 miles per hour, and it's 100% rain. The airport, I feel bad for y'all. Special weather statement. This is just crazy, bro. Strong storms will be near. Like crossing. Okay, so it's nowhere. It's nowhere near me, but it's still 100% rain when out where I'm at. Rainfall totals of 1 to 3 inches, which oscillated high amounts of 4 to 5 inches. Okay. Sheesh, man. Okay, but this is my report on current weather for Friday. Sheesh. But as you can see, it'll calm down. Tomorrow, 100% rain. Yikes. I don't know if this is accurate, but this is crazy. But as you can see, as the night goes on, the rain will go down, basically. So the conditions will go down, and the temperature. I mean, yeah, it's gonna be going up and down, of course, but crazy number. But yeah, the temperature, not the temperatures, the condition, the rain is gonna go down as it. Oh, at 12 o'clock. Oh, yeah, at 12 o'clock. Oh, 12 a.m. is gonna be 100% rain. So yeah, yikes, man. Oof. Yeesh. All right, but this is my first video. I just wanna, making it like my first ever video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll make more weather videos since I want to become a storm chaser. I'm gonna get more equipment, of course. So y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video to others. If I'm doing anything wrong, y'all tell me. Other than that, see you.